Hi everyone, welcome back to today's video, and I'm bringing you guys a part to my skincare routine today and how I cleared up my mild rosacea. I usually get occasional blackheads and whiteheads. They're very stubborn. I actually work with a dermatologist and I know about skin. I know how things can go bad as far as like not clearing up your skin and not using the right products. So I struggled with mild rosacea for years, and recently it's gotten way better. There'll be times that I'll get occasional breakouts all the way through my jawline area, which is called hormonal acne. That has cleared up. I tried over-the-counter washes, non-comedogenic washes that are very soothing on the skin but didn't help at all. I've tried different prescription products and they did not help my rosacea. I've just been eating clean and also exercising, so that's been helping as well. There's a lot of things that can trigger rosacea, like spicy foods, hot showers, certain products that you put on your face can get really bad if you don't use the right products and you're not doing the right thing. There's tons of products over the counter that have so many ingredients and bad ingredients that you do not want to use on your face. So, and me working at a dermatology office, I know what type of products are going to be the best for me. So using different prescription products that didn't help, I was so lost that I was like, oh my god, like what type of products are gonna benefit me in the long run? And I was so tired. I was getting like certain breakouts here, like would get little milia bumps around my nose. The texture wise is pretty bad, and within the last month my skin has cleared up so much. About a month ago or so I discovered Averr Aglow, and I was going through all the ingredients, all their products, and I saw they had so many amazing ingredients and they're very nourishing on the skin. I've seen other videos on these products and I wanted to give it a try. I've mentioned in previous videos that I was not happy with my skin, so I'm so happy that I came across Averr Aglow using the clear skin kit, and I'm gonna go ahead and guide you guys through on like my skincare routine. At first I was so skeptical to even use these products because I've tried many products over the counter, and I bought stuff online, you know, like on Facebook. They tell you like there's certain products they recommend, so I would do that and I would buy them. It didn't help, it made it worse. Something new, I will try it out no matter what, and I will try for a week. If it doesn't work for me, then it doesn't work out. And when I found out about this clear skin kit, I was so impressed. First week that I started using it, I saw results. I saw a huge difference on my face. Like the little milia bumps, the dryness starting to get a lot better, a lot more moisture into my skin, and I'm so happy. And I just want to give a huge thank you to Averr Aglow. Their team is amazing. Any questions I have, they will respond as soon as possible. I want to thank Averr Aglow for sponsoring this video, and also their staff is amazing. I had so many questions and they respond back, and I love their brand and their customer service is amazing. Literally don't have any makeup on, but I'm just gonna go ahead and put my hair back right here and get the products over here to show you guys, and let's get started. I'll go ahead and start with my nighttime routine and then get to my morning routine and show you guys the steps, but they're pretty much the same steps, it's just a little bit different. I'll show you guys. So as far as my skin, I pretty much went in with a makeup wipe and just cleaned off whatever I had from the previous day, and you guys can see I didn't have any makeup on, but whatever makeup I had from the previous day, I might still have it. But you can see still like the redness going on. It's just very mild. I did have a small breakout right here, if you guys can see. It's very tiny. It was pretty bad. It was a whitehead and it was so painful. Before I start using the products, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how they look, but let me show you the way the packaging looks like. Look at the rose gold and black. It's nice and luxurious, and I love the little pictures on the side. I'm just in love with the packaging. And also what I love is that they came with two little brochure cards. One is the evening routine, it tells you step by step on how to use it, and the morning routine as well. You guys up close. So what I have here is this clarifying hydration dew spray. This product right here pretty much preps my skin before I go in with the cleanser and other products. And it's very hydrating on the face. It doesn't leave me patchy or anything. What I love about this product is that it's infused with rose cucumber and saw palmetto. I really like it. It smells amazing. Perfect way to start your whole skincare routine. What I love about this is that it helps redness and inflammation, and with my rosacea being a little bit stubborn, it does help a lot. And as you guys can see, I'm almost out of this bottle and other products as well, because I've been using them so much and I've been seeing a big difference. So I'm gonna go ahead and spritz my face at least 8 to 10 times. You want like a saturated face before applying any type of cleanser or moisturizer. You guys can see how saturated my face is. That's how you want it, and it's so refreshing. I have the Radiant Cleansing Nectar right here, and it is amazing cleanser. A lot of people say it might be oily, but if it's too oily, you're not applying it the right way. One of my products that I have with me, they're pretty much halfway because I've been using them so much, and I will keep repurchasing them for sure. You guys can see there's 2 different types of colors in the bottle, and you have to make sure that you shake it up at least for 10 seconds and kind of mix it up before applying it on your skin. I have a cotton round right here, and this is what I'm going to go ahead and cleanse my face, all over the face, pretty much forehead to chin, all the way to my jawline area. I'm going to go ahead and tip this over. Usually I do 3 times, and I do it like in a triangle, as you guys can see. And you want to make sure that the cotton round is saturated, and back and front you want to make sure it's wet. It's going to help remove the dead skin on your face and all the dirt from the previous day, which I had makeup on. So now that it's saturated front and back, I'm going to go ahead and buff it into my skin. So I start with my forehead and I start doing circular motions, and I usually go towards like my hairline because that's where I usually apply my makeup towards, or when I contour, all the makeup gets there. So, and then I go towards like my nose area, underneath my eyes, and then I still keep buffing it, circular motions. What I love about this is that it helps prevent any breakouts, and it's very soothing on the face. Amazing. So I'm going to go ahead and bring it down towards my neck area and also behind my ears. Alright, so this is the aftermath. It is pretty dirty, as you guys can see. Oh my. That is nasty. What I love about this cleanser, it has so many natural ingredients. It has vitamin E, it has manuka oil, seed oil, like you name it. It is amazing. It's amazing because it balances oil production, and it's just very soothing on the face. So this is my go-to cleanser. This will be with me for the rest of my life, literally. You guys can see like my face, how it is, how clean it looks, other than this little breakout. But man, I'm in love with this cleanser right here. So we're doing the night routine. I'm gonna go ahead and go with the next step right here. Clear Skin Elixir. It's an overnight smoothing and reducing blemish mask. It has amazing botanical extracts in it, and I just love it. It's pink, it's different in my skincare routine. I've seen so many changes with this little tiny mask right here. There's been tons of masks that I've tried and nothing has worked for me. Either they leave me super dry or it just doesn't work at all. It's just keeps me more red, and you guys can see I'm not that red right now because all the products that I've been using has helped my skin. The past couple weeks I've been using it at least 3 to 4 times a week. In the beginning I was using this mask every day because I wanted to see if it actually did work or not. In the beginning, when I started seeing how my skin was clearing, I was like, you know what, let me just use this as needed, and let me just dab it if I get a breakout or not. And it does help. Whenever my skin does need it, I will actually use it for about maybe, like I said, 3 times a week or maybe 4. It just all depends on my skin and the weather as well. I only need a little bit. I use maybe 1 or 2 pumps on the palm of my hand, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. That's pretty much what you need for your entire face. You don't need a lot. So you don't want a thick layer of this mask. You want a thin, even layer. You'll be able to see your skin after applying this mask. So that's how you know you did the right thing. Apply it on my forehead. So this is what I do. I start on my forehead and then I bring it down here. And then I bring it down like my cheek area. So this mask right here does feel super lightweight. It does not feel heavy at all, cakey. I just pretty much apply this a thin layer before going to bed, and pretty much it doesn't transfer on your pillow or anything like that. So when you wake up in the morning, you pretty much don't have to rinse at all. Like I mentioned with the other products, they all have amazing ingredients, all with antioxidant, minerals, and vitamins in it. Next is my morning skincare routine. Pretty much the same thing. I'm just gonna add one more product into my routine. When I wake up in the morning, what I do is I do not rinse this mask at all. It pretty much penetrates into the skin and it just pretty much clears it up for you. You use this spray right here, and then you go in with your cleanser and then moisturizer. Use my clarifying hydration dew. As you guys saw in the beginning, I'm gonna use about 8 to 10 sprints. I use a little bit more than that. I really love a saturated face, and I know it's gonna help my skin. I'm gonna go in with my Radiant Cleansing Nectar. It's pretty much gonna clean everything, even the mask that I have on, all the dead skin that I have, all the dirt and bacteria. I do the same thing as my night routine. I'm gonna do 3 of these upside down until it's very saturated on the cotton round. And I'm gonna do the same thing as I did for my night routine. I'm gonna go in closer. So since I use my elixir at night, I'm gonna go ahead and present to you my moisturizer for the evening. I'm gonna use my Flawless Nourishing Cream. This right here, it is my baby. It is my obsession. It's become a part of my skin routine. It's very important to me just because I struggled with texture and dryness on the face. So it does lock in a lot of moisture into my skin and penetrate, and it's just amazing. And this is what it looks like. So beautiful. I love the jar. And as you guys can see, there's a lot of product in there. So this moisturizer is a lot different from the other moisturizers I've tried over the counter. It's very nourishing. About this product that I wanted to mention, it does feel a little bit runny when you apply it on your fingers. It kind of melts in between your fingers, and I kind of want to say like kind of like coconut oil, like room temperature, that you keep it in your pantry. Kind of like the way I see it is with this cream right here. Very nourishing on the skin, and it does penetrate into your skin, and it's just amazing. It has helped so much with my skin, and I do need a lot of moisture. It came with this little cute spatula, and you only need a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys, like that much. You only need like a little pea-sized amount. Go ahead and apply it on my finger, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pretty much run it through my finger, and I see that it's kind of melting because it has like these tiny little particles. It's kind of melting those away. That way I can apply it onto my skin. Go ahead and apply it on my forehead, the cheek area, and whatever I have left, I apply it onto my neck area. I have my nourishing cream on already. I'm gonna go in with my clarifying hydration dew. When I apply this, it's gonna create like an even layer and absorb into my skin. So I'm gonna apply like 10 times. I'm gonna start massaging it throughout my face, like towards my neck area. And you should massage it like at least 2 or 3 minutes. And it just, when I do this, I feel like I'm at the spa, like getting a facial done. And you want to make sure you massage it really good. The benefits of this cream, it helps with dark spots, scars, and fine lines. And the ingredients are as rosehip, pumpkin, and camellia oil, which is amazing. All natural ingredients. Rosehip oil is amazing for me just because I'm all about texture, and it does help with my textureness. Like any type of scar that I have, like this one right here, it's kind of reducing it as well, so that is a plus. But you guys, that is pretty much it on how to use my clear skin kit. This literally is my skin routine, and it has helped so much. Like my textureness, my rosacea, the redness has gone away so much, and my blackheads and whiteheads have reduced so much, and milia bumps that I used to get, like all the above, I don't have it anymore. Like my skin has finally cleared up, and thanks to Averr Aglow, I'm so happy that I came across them. Not thank them enough. And with other products, I was so lazy using the products, and I just didn't feel comfortable using them. I was just using them because I know I needed to remove my makeup and just to have clear skin, which in fact that didn't happen. So before I discovered Averr Aglow products, I was going through so many products over the counter, and I was just going through serums, toners, cleansers, moisturizers, and I'm just sad that I just didn't get the chance to discover Averr Aglow sooner. But now that I have, I'm excited to share with you guys a 20% discount off your purchase, and I'll put it right here. It's GORJESS20. Thank to the Averr Aglow team that they created a discount code for my subscribers. If you guys are wanting to give these products a try, I do recommend one product. I definitely recommend the nourishing cream just because I do struggle with textureness and dryness. So anybody that has dry skin or combo, you need this in your life for sure. It has helped me a lot. So one product you guys want to try, go ahead and try this one. But other than that, go ahead and leave everything down below in the description box. The whole clear skin kit, and you guys just want to purchase one, go ahead and just purchase one item to see if you like it or not. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. So I'll link all my social medias down below, that way you guys go ahead and follow me. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please turn that notification bell, that way you guys get notified when I upload a new video. And thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.